What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Die. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can play Twitch. So what that basically means is how you can play videos, or let's say how you can watch videos in Twitch. So what are you going to do is guys, firstly just open your Twitch on your mobile phones, your TV, a laptop, or you can even go to Twitch website. So I'm here in Twitch website and this is my home screen. So guys, remember you have to log in first. In my case I've already logged in, and then now you can see this is my interest over Twitch. So I have more interest in gaming, so you can see there are a lot of streamings over here. So this is of Valorant. Can go down and see another games as well. So how to play on Twitch. So what you're gonna do is just go to any video thumbnails, just press that. Guys, see video has been played. So that's how you do it guys. That's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. Like our video, please leave a like. And do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more content like this. See you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.